Relics of Mu. One of the criticisms of James Churchward's theories about the lost continent of Mu is that he provided no physical evidence of the daily lives of the people of Mu. Archaeologists and researchers use the recovered debris of people's everyday life to piece together their understanding of how they lived and attempt to place them into a chronological context. From this, we can learn about our advancement as a species. While it is true that most experts agree that the Bronze Age began in the 4th millennium in what is now known as Iraq and Iran, some evidence has arisen placing it in Thailand in the 5th millennium BC. James' theories were about an advanced civilization. One ancient relic of Mu depicted in the 1931 Lost Continent of Mu was described as Relic of Mu. This is believed to be the oldest jar ever uncovered. It is made of bronze, inlaid with gold symbols, and was taken from one of Mu's submerged cities. It is estimated to be over 12,500 years old. This is certain to be evidence of an advanced civilization if it can be shown to be true. Well, after more than 75 years, one mystery can be resolved. Here are pictures of 4 metal vessels identified by James Churchward as relics of Mu. One is the same jar as depicted in the 1931 Lost Continent of Mu, with a close-up of the inscription that is so difficult to see in the older picture. Included in one of the vessels is a typewritten note which says, "This little vase from Mu, taken from the ruins of Hiranipur, one of the sacred cities of Mu which now lies about 70 feet below the surface of the waters. It is one of the 12 pieces recovered. Without question, it was a temple piece. For what purpose it was used, I do not know. On the inside of the mouth there is an inscription, written in one of the most ancient writings, Henifert, as it was called in Benares, which really is Uyghur Karyan. It commences with Mu. The rest cannot be read on account of coral formations. The metal is unknown, but it must be compositions of gold, 2 different colors. Any other combination of metals would have soon gone to pieces in salt water through galvanic action." One of the vessels has been examined by a curator at the British Museum and identified as late 18th to early 19th century from India. After looking at photographs of the other vessels, it appears that they all are from the same period. Another expert examined the inscription and pronounced that it was most likely a proper name, the owner of the jar.